You probably know all the big and expensive keyword research tools, but what if I told you there is one that you have been underestimating? I'm talking about Google Search Console. Think of Google Search Console not just as a tool for monitoring your site's performance on search, but as a treasure chest for finding keywords. In this video, I'll show you how to dig out those opportunities that can increase traffic. The first step is going to the performance report in Google Search Console. Then select the period. Here, I recommend you pick between 3 and 16 months, depending on how much data you want to use. Next, export the data to a spreadsheet. Now you are ready to find the gold. In the spreadsheet, I recommend creating a filter to show only queries ranking in the top 10. We call these page 1 keywords. These are the queries that are already ranking well, and if you improve them, for example from position 8 to position 3, it can make a massive difference in traffic from Google. The next step is to find queries in the spreadsheet that are important to your business and highlight them. After that, look for the queries that are getting the most impressions. These are the queries with the highest search volume, and improving them will bring the most traffic and have the highest impact. Now that you have identified the most important queries from page 1, the recommended actions are adding internal links to the page, improve the content on the page itself, or create a dedicated page to target this keyword if you don't have one already. A bonus tip, if you want some quick wins, you can create a filter to show queries ranked from position 10 to 20. These are the queries ranking on page 2, and frequently they only need small content improvements and more internal links to reach page 1, which will make a big difference. If you want a faster way to get these keywords, use the striking distance report on SEO testing. Our report will automatically find all your queries that are ranking on page 2 of Google and place them into an easy to read and understand report. If you are enjoying this video, consider subscribing. Our goal at SEO Testing is to save you time, so you spend less time pulling data into Excel and more time thinking about how to get more traffic from Google. Click-through rate can be your friend to get more traffic. Do you want to see how? In the spreadsheet exported from Google Search Console, sort the data from low to high click-through rate. This way, you will find the queries that are getting loads of impressions and not many clicks. Why this matter, are you asking? Well, your pages are ranking and getting eyeballs, but people aren't clicking much. To improve this, you should improve on-page SEO. I've put a link in the description for a video about on-page SEO that you can watch after this one. In short, on-page SEO improvements will involve things like adding the query to the page title, the body, and meta description if it makes sense, among other things. This should help Google see extra value in the page and rank it higher for your target query. When looking at the spreadsheet exported from Google Search Console for the queries your site is ranking for, you might notice some keywords that you didn't target. We call these accidental keywords. As the name says, you are ranking for these keywords by accident because you were not even trying in the first place. But now, they are an opportunity to increase traffic. Most of the time, you will not be ranking in high position for these accidental keywords as the pages aren't optimized for them. So your goal will be to pick the ones that interest your business and start creating content for those queries. Accidental keywords will frequently be long-tail keyword variations, which means you can add new sections to existing content or create new pages to target the keyword. The right decision will depend on your site content structure and the volume for the keyword. Now you are ready to find keywords that will increase your site's traffic in Google Search Console. After you improve the content on your site, set up SEO tests with SEO testing. These tests will help you measure the impact on traffic from the changes you made. We have a 14-day free trial for you to test our tool. Sign up using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.